Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston, and I'm standing in front of a beautiful 2024 260 SLX Outboard by Sea Ray. This is a gorgeous all-white boat with a white engine, got black highlights, black scissor top on top. Gorgeous boat, great for saltwater, freshwater, rough water. Beautiful boat inside. I want you to come on board and let's check out the extremely nice interior features this boat has. All right, we're on board the 260. I want to start right back here because this is one of the great areas of the boat. You've got a full walkthrough here, even when the motor's tilted up. And check out this cavernous storage compartment here. You can put all your water sports toys, fishing rods, whatever you want to put in there. This boat even has a ski tow that plugs into this hole here. However, we've got the tower on this boat that you can pull with. I like this little feature back here on the back. They've by going to the outboard version, in an area what used to be the engine storage, you've got lots of extra storage, including this little ice chest right back here. Beautiful, nice, comfortable tanning lounge. We've got all your smart device controls, place to put your smart devices, stereo remote right here. Got a nice walk-through door to keep the pets and small children contained. This is a nice little option here too, the little step, like if you're getting out to get up on a boat dock at a marina or a restaurant. That's a great feature. But come on aboard, it just gets better. Look at the interior of this beauty. This boat is designed for entertaining. You've got your passenger seat and helm seat are designed to swivel so they can your passenger and your companion can be part of the conversation area. There's a table that'll go in here. There's a table that'll go in the front. The SLX trim package is just gorgeous, really appointed well. Twin Simrad screens, flush mount on all your electronics. This boat's got a really nice head compartment on board. Check that out. Freshwater sink down below. I mentioned a little bit about the top earlier. This top actually scissors when it goes down. So when you lower it, you can still actually see through the windshield and use it to get out of the rain a little bit. But it gives you great clearance for storage. And this is a nice little feature Sea Ray added. This is an extension that you can actually push out manually and cover the back of the boat with shade as well. There's storage under every seat in here. Got a nice deep bow up in the front. One of my favorite features, we've got an electric windlass anchor on the front. Freshwater shower up there to rinse the mud off of it. Man, what a gorgeous boat. This is just one of our many great offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. You'll need to come check this one out. I think you'll love it. My name's Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.